I'm happy on my own, making coffee just for,
As you can see, I have already marked the beats.
and eating breakfast all
Now select the first layer and add Twixtor Pro.
fewer dishes to be
Check
done.
this box and change image prep from none to contrast / edge enhanced, warping to forward. Now go to main BG layer settings and change main BG sensitivity to 100. Uncheck this box. For the frame rate, go to the project and find your footage, then give its frame rate.
My head, fix my tie or kiss me.
So I gave 600 for the speed, but there is no exact number for this. It all depends on the footage you choose. So play with your values and find the number that suits your footage. Now add a keyframe for speed. Press U to view keyframes. Control plus Shift plus End to go 10 frames forward and change the value to 30. Now go to the next marker, copy this keyframe and paste it here. Go back 10 frames, copy this keyframe and paste it here. Now select all keyframes and press F9 to easy ease. Then go to Graph Editor, choose Speed Graph and copy my graph.
Then order another round.
Now hold Alt and press right bracket to trim. Press Y and adjust the footage to your liking. Now copy this effect, select this layer, press left bracket and paste the effect. Trim this layer. For this footage, I am setting the value to 500. Now adjust it according to your preference. Now do the same for the other layers. For the last layer, I'm going to delete these keyframes and change the first value to 500 and the second value to 40. Now trim the layer and adjust it to your preference. Press T for opacity, add a keyframe, go to the end and set the value to 0. Easy ease these keyframes and copy my graph. If you want that shake in the example, watch this video on the iCard.